Hue, the former imperial capital of Vietnam, is a city known for its rich history, cultural heritage, and stunning landscapes. If you're planning a visit to Hue, here are 10 things you must do to make the most of your trip. Visit the Imperial City. Start your exploration by visiting the Imperial City, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Explore the ancient palaces, temples, and gardens that were once the residence of the Nguyen Dynasty emperors. Explore the Thien Mu Pagoda situated on the banks of the Perfume River. Thien Mu Pagoda is one of the oldest and most iconic religious sites in Hue. Admire the elegant architecture, beautiful gardens, and the 7-tiered pagoda. Take a boat ride on the Perfume River. Embark on a relaxing boat ride along the Perfume River to enjoy scenic views of the city and its surrounding countryside. You can also visit the various pagodas and mausoleums located along the riverbanks. Discover the tombs of the emperors. Hue is famous for its royal tombs, which serve as mausoleums for the Nguyen Dynasty emperors. Visit the tombs of Tu Duc, Khai Dinh, and Minh Mang to witness their grandeur and learn about their history. Try local cuisine. Indulge in Hue's unique culinary delights. Don't miss the chance to savor traditional dishes like Bun Bo Hue spicy beef noodle soup, Bon Khoi Hue-style pancake, and Cam Hen clam rice. Wander through the Dong Ba Market. Immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of Dong Ba Market, the largest market in Hue. Explore the stalls filled with fresh produce, local handicrafts, and souvenirs. It's a great place to experience the local culture. Visit the Royal Antiquities Museum located within the Imperial City. The Royal Antiquities Museum houses a vast collection of artifacts from the Nguyen Dynasty. Admire the intricate royal costumes, jewelry, ceramics, and other historical objects. Attend a traditional music performance. Hue is renowned for its traditional music, known as NHA, NHAC, or Royal Court Music. Catch a performance at the Hue Royal Palace or opt for a cultural show to experience the city's rich musical heritage. Explore the Ton Ton Bridge. Venture outside the city center to visit the Ton Ton Bridge, a beautiful covered bridge dating back to the 18th century. Enjoy a leisurely stroll across the bridge and visit the nearby Agricultural Museum. Take a motorbike ride to Hai Van Pass for adventurous souls. Embark on a motorbike ride to the famous Hai Van Pass, which offers breathtaking views of the coastline and surrounding mountains. It's a memorable journey that takes you through stunning landscapes. Remember, these are just a few highlights of what Hue has to offer. The city has much more to explore, so take your time. Immerse yourself in the culture, and enjoy your visit to this historical gem of Vietnam. Subscribe and like. Thank you.